Everyone. So today's video is regarding PhAST. So last week I attended training on PhAST and I got quite a few questions with regarding to it. I got questions about what is PhAST, what program does it deal with, what it all entails, and how teachers can apply for training and things like that. So first of all, it is a departmental program that the department is providing us, which is nice. So each district will be getting training in it. It was first introduced last year, around this time last year, to Central, and slowly but surely everybody's using it. It was posted on the Jollyphonics group at the beginning of this year, and you could print it and use it. But having the training does make a difference. So what is FAST? FAST is a phonological awareness skills training. So, like if you all know me by now, have been following me for quite a while, I absolutely love phonological awareness and phonemic awareness, and I've been talking about it for the last year already. I started doing research last year, March, and I started sharing with you in June what phonological awareness is and things like that. Personally, I have been using phonological and phonemic exercises in my class for the last 3 years, but I've been using Tara West, an American program, in my classroom. Last year, I designed my own program and I started using that. Then I was told last year, around about this time when Central did their training about FAST, I attended a training in online training in, I think it was October last year, but it wasn't the same like last week's training. Teachers to have the program is one thing, but to be trained in it is another thing. And it's a game changer. Honestly, believe me. So, first of all, what I love about FAST is that it is aligned with Jollyphonics. It is based on the science of reading. It is structured, it is explicit, it is systematic. It's everything you need to help your children to read. Like I said, it's run on the science of reading, and in the pack that you do get, not speaking about the activities, the information pack itself, it talks about the simple view of reading, which I spoke about. It talks about Scarborough's rope. It gives you in detail information, and that helped a lot. What I love about this program also, it focuses on grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, as well as grade R, which is nice. I've previously told you that I believe that in caps it states phonological awareness should happen 15 minutes in grade R and in grade 1 first term and second term. What I love with this program is that it goes what I believe that phonological awareness should, and phonemic awareness definitely, should be carried over into grade 2 and grade 3. I feel it can also be done in grade 4 with your struggling learners as intervention. So I think this is a brilliant program. That is my view on it. I've used it now for the week and it's really made a difference. Even though I knew a lot about, or I know a lot about phonological awareness and phonemic awareness, this just put everything together as it is aligned with Jollyphonics. So it is a whole class program. It goes hand in hand with Jollyphonics. It's a fast pace, so it's quick, fun, engaging activities which your kids will really love. Believe me, my kids enjoyed it. It can be done in sections throughout the day. So I do mine after first interval and after second interval, just as a calming down, but also a fun, energetic activity, but a focus on listening skills. So it's auditory skills that we're working on. Um, it is, to be honest, an amazing program. It can be repeated in your small groups if your children are still struggling to master the skills needed. So this it's what I like I told you, it is explicit, it is structured, it is systematic, and it deals with all of it all in once. A part that I love that I was not using was the guided practice. So it should be used as a guided practice, and what I love, which is I do, we do, and you do. So what was nice about this is like I show them what to do. Then I guide the practice. We do it together. And I can see who's struggling and who's not doing it right. And I can give them immediate feedback. They then do that independently, and I see if they've gained that immediate feedback I just I just gave them right now. So it is quick to the point, but you are guiding them all the way, which is brilliant. And my kids absolutely love that. I do, we do, you do. They absolutely love that. So that worked wonderful. Um, I like that it focused on everything. It focused on compound words, syllabus, onset rhyme, and your phoneme levels. And what it also does, it also speaks about, like I said, about word discrimination, your segment sentence into words. It's not included in the planning, but they do give you a section on it that so that you can go over it. I do have cards that also focus on that I sold, which is brilliant to use to help with the with the phonological breaking sentence up into words, repeating sentences, and things like that, counting how many words in a sentence. What I love about this, you can see here, it's broken up, so it's structured, it's explicit, systematic, and it's repeated. So the children get to do it over and over, and it becomes second nature, which makes it easier. There's a routine. They also give you definitions, which is nice. So they explain the definitions. They work from a more simple to a more complex, which is what you're supposed to do. So it is amazing. I can't stress how nice this program is. They give you the definitions. I do have posters in my shop that also speaks about the definitions that you can put up in your classroom. But everything you need is here. Um, the program works over 36 weeks, so they give you planned lessons like that. I love to have something on hand. So, you know me, I like to make short, easy things so that I can handle. I'm going to put a ring in mine. I just printed it last week and Sunday, and I've been using it like this. So, every 10 weeks is a different color, and that is how mine is organized. Um, what I love that they give you, so you can't see. Let's go to one you can see. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it's all worked out for you already. They give you definitions on top. They explain it to you, so it's wonderful. It's nice to have it, to use it, but to get trained in it is a game changer. It works on auditory skills for week 1 till week 15. Then we work on week 16 and 17. We work on hands on using bottle tops to count the sounds. And then from week 18 to week 34, it aligns with your Jolly Phonics groups. So they tell you the sounds and which group you're focusing on in Jolly Phonics. They even break it up further to you that tells you 3 weeks. We focus on group 1 for 3 weeks, on group 2 for 3 weeks, and things like that. So it is really well structured and planned if you go through it. They also they show you how the skills are aligned from more simple to more complex. Then they talk about the segmenting words, counting words, and they give you a few examples as well. So they give you a few examples, and then what I love, they give you in detail. So on here they also explain to you how to do it, but here they give you in detail on how to do the rhyming, how to do the syllables, how to do the breaking up, the putting together, the blending, the segmentation. They give you all of that already worked out, how to do your phoneme isolation, and all of those things are already done for you. What I absolutely love, and which was something new also for me, was the phoneme levels, the 5 steps. The 5 steps, which I've now included into my program in my classroom, which is the 5 steps. Say it, break it up, build it, sound it out, and blend it. My kids absolutely love it. They think it's the most fun game they've ever played, but I'm also testing their listening. I'm building skills that they need in a fun and engaging way, but that also aligns with the science of reading, which is systematic and explicit. So definitely, if you hear of any training that your department is giving with regards to FAST, please jump on board. Please go there and take in as much information as you can, because it is amazing. I can't tell you how much this has changed for me in my classroom. Even though I've just been using it for a week, I can see the changes. Please, teachers, it is everything you need on hand. It is free. The department is giving it to you. All you need to do is make use of it. And it is, like I'm telling you, it can be a big help when it comes to reading. Remember that phonological awareness and phonemic awareness is one of the strongest, it's one of the strongest determination if your children can read. With a strong phonemic and phonological awareness ability, you get a stronger reader. Have a blessed week further and enjoy.